Wondering what the One Big Beautiful Bill Act is and how it affects your money? In this video, we'll explain the key points of this massive 2025 law and what it means for your taxes, savings, and finances, all in under 3 minutes. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act, signed into law in 2025, is a sweeping federal budget package. It includes permanent tax cuts, spending reforms, and changes to major federal programs, aimed at reshaping economic incentives and reducing some government spending. This bill directly impacts individuals, families, and businesses. It can change how much tax you pay, how you save, and how you plan for financial goals, making it crucial to understand, even as a beginner. The bill makes many tax cuts permanent, including those from the 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. It also lowers taxes on things like tips, overtime, and small business income, putting more money in your pocket each month. The new law introduces tax-advantaged accounts for families and children, sometimes called MAGA accounts. These accounts encourage saving and investing from an early age, with tax benefits for contributions and growth. The bill costs trillions over a decade and affects the national debt trajectory. While it gives short-term tax relief, it's important to plan for long-term financial impacts on government programs. Programs like student loans and Medicaid see reforms under the bill. This includes funding adjustments, eligibility changes, and updates to repayment plans that can affect millions of Americans. For families, this means potential changes in Medicaid coverage and how student loans are handled. Understanding these updates can help you avoid unexpected costs and plan your finances. The bill includes deductions and incentives for small businesses. This encourages investment, hiring, and growth, while lowering tax burdens for qualifying businesses. The bill also touches immigration enforcement, national security, and overall economic policy. It's designed to stimulate growth, protect the middle class, and reform federal spending. Even if you're not a business owner, this bill affects take-home pay, savings opportunities, and government benefits. Being informed lets you plan your budget, taxes, and financial goals effectively. Subscribe to Money Basics Library for more under 3-minute finance tips, and check the video description for our book with detailed strategies to plan and save under the new law.